morning.
Take to your right, please. Sir. You want boarding pass here? Take to your right, please.
You're fine, so fine, fine, so fine. Ooh, oh, girl, I'm gonna show you when you're mine, oh mine, mine, oh mine.
नहीं और साने को वो बोलना था ना यार, बोलते ही है जब सचिन को डायरेक्ट अनसॉलिसिटेड ऑफर मिल जाता है.
The front deck is first officer Khairul bin Abdul Samad and second officer Hadri Hashim. Our in-flight supervisor today is Miss Natalie Yap, and together with our team of cabin crew, we would like to welcome you aboard this flight SQ955 from Jakarta to Singapore. Flight time today is 1 hour and 20 minutes, 120, and the weather is forecasted to be generally good with the occasional bump away. With that in mind, I'd like to advise you to keep your seatbelt securely fastened whenever you are seated. The progress of our flight can be viewed from the in-flight entertainment system. I'd like to close by inviting you all to sit back, relax, and enjoy our in-flight service. Thank you for choosing Singapore Airlines.
5 to Singapore. Our crystal entertainment system is now available. Please refer to the Crystal magazine for this month's listing. We would like to wish you a pleasant flight.
Mengucapkan selamat datang di pesawat ini. Harap matikan semua ponsel dan alat-alat elektronik portable lainnya. Harap diingat bahwa Anda dilarang merokok di dalam pesawat kapanpun itu. Untuk alasan keamanan, harap jangan menggunakan headset hingga pesawat tinggal landas. Selamat menikmati penerbangan Anda.
Prohibited on all our flights. Thank you for your attention. Prohibited on all our flights. As we prepare for departure, please take note of the safety features of our aircraft.
Passengers seated at the emergency exit doors may be called upon to assist the cabin crew.
Thank you for your attention.
Have a pleasant
my treasure. Yeah, you are my treasure. You are my treasure. You are my treasure. Yeah, you are treasure. You are my treasure. You are my treasure. You are my golden sun. You are my treasure. You can make my treasure come true. You are my treasure. If you let me treasure you.
Now there is a 1 hour time difference between Jakarta and Singapore. Time at present in Singapore is 11:50 AM. On arrival, we can expect cloudy conditions in Singapore with a north temperature of 30 degrees Celsius. On behalf of Captain Wang and the rest of the crew, we have pleasure having on board this flight to Jakarta to Singapore. And I'd like to wish all of you a pleasant day ahead. Cabin crew prepare for arrival, please. Thank you.
Secure drink table, footrest and headset. Please make sure your window shades are drawn up. All mobile phones and electronic devices, including laptops, must now be turned on. As a safety requirement, please note where emergency exits are located. Thank you. Welcome to Singapore, ladies and gentlemen, and to all Singaporeans and residents of Singapore, a warm welcome home. The local time is 11:55 in the morning on Saturday, the 7th of June. The temperature is 30 degrees Celsius, 88 degrees Fahrenheit. You may now use your mobile phones and tablets. However, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign is turned off. Please take care when opening the overhead compartment and check that you have not left anything behind. If you need assistance at the airport, please approach our ground staff after disembarkation. If you are continuing your journey on another Singapore Airlines flight, please note that the boarding gate will close 10 minutes before the scheduled departure time. Do also note the restrictions on carriage of liquid aerosols and gels in hand luggage on all flights departing from Singapore Changi Airport. It's been our pleasure serving you, and we thank you for flying Singapore Airlines, a member of Star Alliance.
Dan tablet Anda. Namun, mohon tetap duduk di kursi Anda sampai tanda sabuk pengaman dimatikan. Ketika meninggalkan pesawat, mohon berhati-hati saat membuka kompartemen di atas Anda dan pastikan tidak ada barang yang tertinggal. Jika Anda membutuhkan bantuan di bandara, mohon hubungi petugas darat kami setelah disembarkasi. Kami sangat senang telah melayani Anda. Terima kasih telah terbang dengan Singapore Airlines, anggota Star Alliance.